Oh, I see you're excited to see me. You should have waited. Welcome to Colonel Singala's Valentine's Day Tech Tips. Let's get inside. Let's get started. All right. All right, so it's Valentine's Day, and some of you are wondering, what should I give my loved one? Or what kind of love tips can the Corner Singala give me? Well, I'm here to help you answer both questions. So let's start off with our first Valentine's Day love gift. Some of you are thinking, Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and you're wondering, should I buy it for my loved one? Well, look, let me just cut to the chase. What you need to buy her is a banana phone from Nokia. This thing has been out for a while, it's cheap, plus the battery life will last her 2 weeks. I'm telling you, this thing is powerful, sexy, and both a man and woman can use it. So anyway, instead of you getting her a box of chocolates, you can get her some breadsticks from Olive Garden. It's unlimited. So I know some of you have experienced this. Some of your loved ones says, baby, why are you green bubble or blue bubble? You say, no, baby, we are thunder purple. Thunder purple. Hey, that's right. You get yourself matching thunder purple OnePlus 6T because iPhone is bloody expensive. You can buy 2 thunder purple for 1 iPhone, and your pocket is lighter, so you can at least buy a TV later on. I love it. Yes. So when you're buying a Valentine's Day card for your loved one, I suggest you get the Ryan Hustling, that guy from Notebook. Get the Hey Girl card, like this one. It's very presentable and it gives you some hot tips. Plus, you can print it out in the house, or better yet, just test it. Shows you care. This day and age, safety and security is very important. And when you love somebody, you must know where they are. That's why I recommend the Samsung Smart Things Tracker. You can track them anywhere, sit on your cell phone, and I'm telling you, don't get caught. The last one is question from fans. So they ask, when you have a social media crush, can you slide into their DM? It's for you, baby.